hey, it's Saturday. It's nearly bedtime. I've done nothing today. I've just been looking after the kids. Ben was here for a bit and took Aria and Fox to the woods for a walk. Mika still can't go out, so it's just been a day of looking after them. I did some housework this morning because the house had excuse me, Bandit. The house was just a shithole because I've been looking after everybody poorly. So yeah, I did that this morning. Fox is now, he's in there in the shower. He just has all of his toys and makes himself a little splashy bit in the bottom, so I just let him get on with it. Yeah, nothing very exciting, I'm afraid. And tomorrow it's probably going to be the same, just because of illness. So I apologise for that, but what can you do? It's life sometimes. But yeah, I'll talk to you soon.